friends, I am back with another My Band 3 video with the iPhone. Now, I disconnect mine all the time, so I'm going to have to pair it again real quick. Pairing's not that difficult though. We just launch the app. Mine is asking if I want all the categories on, and I'm going to tell it yes. And I'm going to choose allow. And then here's where I can pair the band. I am pairing a band, and I'm going to agree. And then I'm just holding the band close, and then I can tap the little button on the bottom so that it pairs. It got it. Once again, it reminds me that we can switch by sliding up, sliding down on the band. It tells me that we can swipe left or right to see the different things. It also shows you the little bar that moves so you know how many there are. You can tap the button to go back, and you can long press to confirm, and then swipe to unlock. And then you wear it above the little knuckle on your hand. Nothing too earth-shattering, but hey, it does clear up how things go. The big question people have been having is about app alerts. Mine, for starters, I'm going to enable the Mi Fit alert, and I'm going to allow it to do its pair. I can check got it. I'm going to also look at the other apps and have those allowed. And let's go back and see what kind of things we can include in our messaging. First, I'm going to enable incoming SMS. I could do emails. I'm not worried about any of these idle ones, but I am going to go to app alerts. Alright, so after a moment of looking and being confuzzled as to why there were no apps available, it's because this is not my daily driver phone and I had no apps on it. So I just quickly added Snapchat, and let's see what it looks like when I send a message from my real Snapchat to the Snapchat that I just added for this daily driver. Alright, so you can see that on the phone it just arrived, and then this is what it looks like on my Mi Band 3. So I can tell that I got one, but I can't tell what it is. I just know that I got something from Snapchat. Alright, as I said before, this is not my daily driver. So I'm going to simply send a message to myself because this does not have service. And let's see how it shows up on the Mi Band 3. So the message is going to come through. It showed up at Freedom Pop. And there you can see it showed up on my screen. And I actually had it on one screen so it didn't have to swipe. But there is how you swipe for text message to see the other half of the questions, or the other half of the notification. So I hope that helps with what you're asking about how Apple devices work with the My Band 3. If not, post another question and I will answer it. Friends, if this movie was helpful at all, please hit that like button, and if you haven't hit subscribe, please hit subscribe. If you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HL My Tech, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, friends. Have a great day.